Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. So finally, we arrive at the last subtopic for chapter 4. Chapter 4, trigonometry, and the last subtopic 4.4 is solution of triangle. Okay, let's start with the first rule in solution of triangle, which is sine rule. Okay, given this triangle, and you can see we have small letter which represent the length of each side of the triangle, and then we have capital letter which represent the angle. Okay. For angle A, the opposite side of angle A is side A. Okay, capital A for the angle, small a for the length of the side. And then we have angle B. Opposite of angle B is side B. B is the length of this side, and capital B here is the angle. And lastly, we have here angle C, and opposite of angle C is side C. So again, small c is for the length of this side, and capital C is for the angle. And then from the triangle, we get this sine rule. A over sine A equal B over sine B equal C over sine C, or we can also write it down as sine A over A equal sine B over B equal sine C over C. And normally we will set our calculator in degree mode when we want to apply this rule. Okay, where the side small a, b, c are opposite to the respective angle, capital A, B, C in the triangle A, B, C. Note, solve the triangle. Okay, if the sentence is mentioned in your question, solve the triangle means finding all the sides and angles of the triangle. Okay, kalau dalam soalan tu, dia ada bagi ayat dia kata solve the triangle, bermaksud awak perlu cari pandang setiap sisi dan juga sudut bagi setiap sudut dalam segitiga ni. The next rule under solution of triangle is cosine rule. So again, we have this triangle. The small letters A, B, C represent the length of the side, and the capital letter A, B, C represent the size of the angle. So cosine rule, A square equal B square plus C square equal 2BC cos A. Okay, for sine rule, sine. Cosine rule, cos. If you have B square equal A square plus C square equal 2AC cos B, and C square equal A square plus B square equal 2AB cos C. You can choose which equation that you want to use depending on which angle that you have. Let's say you have angle C, then you can use the equation that's starting from C square. If you have angle A, then you can use this equation that's starting from A square. The next formula is to find the area of triangle. So again, from the same triangle where small letters represent the length of sides and capital letters represent the size of the angle, to find area of triangle ABC equal 1 over 2 BC sine A, or 1 over 2 AC sine B, or 1 over 2 AB sine C. So again, which equation should you use depending on the information that you have? If you have angle A, you should pair it with side B and C. If you have angle B, pair with side A and C. If you have angle C, then pair with side A and B. And another formula to find the area of triangle ABC is called as Heron's formula. Okay, Heron's formula equals square root S multiplied by S minus A multiplied by S minus B multiplied by S minus C. So when can you use this formula and when can you use this formula? You can use Heron's formula to find area of triangle when you do not have any angle. Okay, look at the formula. The formula contains small a, small b, and small c without any angle. So bila awak ada sisi sahaja, tak ada sudut, nak cari area of triangle, boleh guna Heron's formula. Tapi mesti ada ketiga-tiga panjang sisi. Okay, how to find S? S equal 1 over 2 A plus B plus C. Again, S equal 1 over 2 length A plus length B and plus length C. Now, let's go to your homework. Let's try some question. Okay, the first question is from Cosine Rule. Given this triangle OMN, and the question is very simple. Solve the triangle OMN over. When the question asks you to solve the triangle, meaning that you must find the length and the angle for each side. Okay, let's use whatever information that we have. We have 120 degree and the opposite length is 18 cm. And we have here length without the angle. So we can use that information first. Sine 120 degree. The opposite length is 18 cm equal sine m. Sine m and the opposite length is 10 cm. So to find sine m equal sine 120 degree over 18, bring 10 to the left, multiply by 10. Okay, now use your calculator. Make sure that the mode is in degree. And calculate sine 120 degree divided by 18 multiplied by 10. If you calculate correctly, you should get 0.48113. Okay, and because we want to find m, when we bring sine to the other side, arc sine. Okay, again, use your calculator, arc sine, 0.48113. Make sure your calculator in mode degree and you will get m equal 28.76 degree. Okay, we know that the total area the total angle of a triangle is 180. So to get n, the angle for n, 180 degree minus, okay, the first angle that we have, 120, and the second angle, m, 28.76. And from there, we get angle n equal 31.24 degree. Okay, so we settle all the angle. Angle O 120, angle M 28.76, and angle N 31.24. What's left is one more side. Okay, the side which opposite to the angle N. So again, we can use sine rule. Okay, the length of OM equal ataupun small n. Okay, small n because this side is opposite to the angle n. Small n sine 31.24 equal, and I use 120 degree and 18 cm. So 18 over sine 120. So to find n, 18 over sine 120 degree multiplied by sine 31.24 degree. Okay, again, make sure your calculator in mode degree. Okay, calculate this, and if you calculate correctly, you will get the length of n equal to 10.78 cm. Okay, now let's complete our triangle. Okay, angle N is 31.24. Angle M is 28.76. And the total of these three angles is 180. And then lastly, we find the length of N, which is 10.78 cm. Okay, we have completed the triangle. Moving on to the next question. ABC is a triangle with, okay, it's easier if we can try to sketch the triangle. Okay, let's name this as A, B, C. BC equal 14 cm, so here 14. Angle A 60 degree. Angle B 68 degree. Solve the triangle. Okay, so again, we are given two angles of the triangle, and first we can find angle C, because we know that total angle for triangle is 180 degree. So we can start with finding angle for C. Total angle for triangle 180 minus, we are given angle A 60 degree and angle B 68 degree. So the angle for C is 52 degree. Okay, we get here 52 degree. Next, we can proceed to find the sides, length of side. Okay, opposite of 60 degree is 14 cm. So 14 cm over sine 60 degree equal, let's say we want to find B. Okay, B over sine 68 degree. So to find B, 14 over sine 60 degree multiplied by sine 68 degree. Okay, again, calculate very carefully. Make sure your calculator in mode degree. You should get B equal 14.99 cm. Okay, 14.99 cm. And the last side that we want to find is the one opposite to angle C. Okay. And again, I will use 14 cm and 60 degree. So 14 over sine 60 equal small c over sine 52 degree. So to find length C, 14 over sine 60 degree multiplied by sine 52 degree. Calculator in mode degree, and if you calculate correctly, you should get 12.7 cm. So this length here is 12.7, and with that we have completed the triangle. We find all three sides and all three angles. Proceed to the next question, number 3. So again, let's try to sketch the triangle. This time, triangle PQR. R. PQ 4 cm, PR 8.3 cm, angle Q 120 degree. Okay, solve the triangle. First, we have angle Q and side Q. And then we have side for angle R. Then we can use this to find the angle R. Sine 120 degree and the opposite length is 8.3 cm equal, we want to find R, sine R over the opposite length is 4. So sine R equal sine 120 degree over 8.3 multiplied by 4. Calculate correctly, you should get 0.41736164. And then to find R, bring sign to the other side, sine. Use your calculator in mode degree, you should get angle R equals 24.67 degree. So this angle is 24.67. Okay, next. We know the total angle for a triangle is 180. So to find angle P, 180 minus 120 plus 24.67, which equal to 35.33 degree. So angle P 35.33. And lastly, we want to find the length of a side opposite to P. And again, I want to use 120 degree and 8.3 cm. So 8.3 cm over sine 120 equal, the length opposite to P is small p over sine 35.33 degree. Then P will equal to 8.3 over sine 120 degree multiplied by sine 35.33 degree. Make sure calculator in mode degree, and if you calculate correctly, you will get the length equal 5.54 cm. So right here 5.54 cm, and with that we have completed this triangle. Okay. For the next question, we are required to apply cosine rule. Let's start from question number 1. ABC. Okay, let's sketch the triangle. And this triangle is A, B, C. It's a triangle with AB 8 cm, AC 4 cm. Okay, triangle saya ni tak betul lah. Patutnya 8 cm ni lebih panjang daripada 4 kan. Tapi ni cuma sketch je. BC 10.4 cm. Solve the triangle. Okay. We only have the length of 3 sides without any angle. Okay. So, let's apply cosine rule. Let's say I want to start from angle A. Okay, let's start from angle A. A square equal B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. A square. The length or the side opposite to angle A is 10.4 square equal B square. Okay, opposite B 4 cm. 4 square plus C square. Opposite C 8 cm minus 2 for 8 cos A. Okay, calculate the squared value first. Leave cos A and then to calculate A, cos of 28.16 over negative 64, and you should get 116.10 116.10 degree. And then let's use angle B. Okay, this time we want to find angle B. So B square equal A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. B square. The side opposite angle B is 4 cm. Equal A 10.4 square plus C 8 square. And B will equal to cos 156.16 over 166.4. Because negative divided by negative, we get positive value. And make sure calculator in mode degree. You should get angle B 20.21 degree. So here 20.21. And then to find angle C, we know that the total angle for a triangle is 180. So 180 minus 116.1 plus 20.21. And from there we get angle C equal 43.69 degree. And with that, we have completed the triangle. We have all length of three sides and the angle inside the triangle. Question number 2. Okay, again, let's sketch the triangle. Okay, we have P, Q, R. Angle P 60 degree. The length of PQ 7 cm. The length of PR 4 cm. Find the length of QR. Okay, only one question. Length of QR. The question did not require us to solve the triangle, so we can just find the length for QR, which is opposite to the angle 60 degree. Okay, we can use cosine rule. The length that we want to find is p square equal, we have the length opposite r is r square plus q square minus 2r q cos p. R square is 7 square plus q square is 4 square minus 2r q cos p 60 degree. And if you calculate this correctly, you will get 57. And on the left, originally is p square, so bring square to the other side, square root. Square root of 57 is 6.08 cm. And that is the length for QR. Okay, question number 3. Triangle A B C. So name this triangle as A B C. Angle C 75 degree. The length of AC is 16 cm. The length of BC is 20 cm. And we want to find angle A. Let's use the given angle 75 degree to find the length of AB. A square 20 cm, B 16 cm. And the angle for C is 75 degree. And if you calculate correctly on the right hand side of this equation, we get 490.36. So to find C, square root, and C should equal to 22.14 cm. So here 22.14 cm. Okay, and then to find angle A, we can use the length for A square equal B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. The length of side A is 20 cm, B 16 cm, and C 22.14. Okay, the one that we just calculated earlier. Minus 2, 16, 22.14, and then cos A. Okay, this angle is the one that we want to find. 20 square 400 equal 256 plus 490.36 minus 708.48 cos A. To find A, no, wait. Simplify. On the left, we have negative 346.36, and on the right equal negative 708.48 cos A. Okay, and then to find A, cos negative over negative is positive, 346.36 over 708.48. Okay, the value depend on how many decimal point you take. Okay, if I take this value, the cos of this fraction will equal to 60.75 degree. So the answer here is 60.75 degree when we apply cosine rule. But again, let me tell you, the final answer might differ depending on how many decimal that we take. For example, in here, I just took two decimal places, here two as well. So the answer over here might also be different. Okay. And now let's proceed to the next question, where we want to find the area of triangle. Okay, for this triangle, we are given two angle, 50 degree, 70 degree, and one side. Okay, I want to find the length of PQ. And then we can find the angle Q because the total angle is 180 minus 50 degree plus 70 degree. So angle Q equal 60 degree. And the opposite is 6 cm. Okay, here we can use sine rule. 6 cm over sine 60 degree equal length for R over angle R sine 70. So side R 6 over sine 60 degree multiplied by sine 70 degree. And from there we get the length of R is 6.51 cm. 6.51 cm. Then we can proceed to find the area of triangle. I want to use 50 degree. So 1 over 2 QR sine P. The length for side Q is 6. The length for side R is 6.51 and angle P is 50 degree. And the area of this triangle is 14.96 cm square. And the last question, again, by using Heron's formula, we want to find the value of x if the area of triangle PQR is 240 cm square. And that is all for this topic. Thank you very much.